I decided to try and make a game in one day, but there's a twist. I'm a noob. So yeah, let's start. So the first thing I decided to do was create folders for future organization. Then I imported some sprites I found on my computer for my tile map that I'm going to use. And like any logical person, I didn't learn from my mistakes, and I spent 20 minutes trying to figure out how to set up a tile map again. Oh, and I totally didn't forget what a tile map collision 2D is, and spent another 30 minutes trying to figure it out, because my collisions ain't working. Anyhow, yeah, now after all that, it was time to add the player. Perfect. Now it's time to get the player moving, and look at that. Fantastic. Oh, and there's a cool trick you can use to stop the player sticking to the walls. Create a physics material 2D, which takes me like 5 minutes every time to find, I don't know why, and name it whatever you like. I like to call it friction. Then drag it onto your player's rigid body 2D, and now set the friction to 0. And boom, look at that, your character is now slippery. Now, it was time to add a weapon to the game. Okay, don't question this method, I totally wasn't like copying it pixel for pixel. Yeah, look at that, I've got my own original art in the game. Perfect. Now with the help of ChatGPT, Bob, with the help of Bob, I managed to get this gun, turning towards the mouse. But there was one problem with this design. Yeah, the gun goes upside down when you are facing left. And I spent another 5 minutes begging Bob to fix it, and boom, perfecto. Now it was time to add shooting to the game. Perfect. Oh wait, this time it should work. Oh, never mind. Yonks later, and look at this. It's working first try. Then I got Bob to try and make a really fancy script for me, but for some reason, it keeps making my player like jitter and stuff like that. I'm not too sure why. I tried to get it fixed, I watched tutorials and asked Bob how to fix it. He was recommending using shaders, but after like 2 hours of trying to fix it, I decided to give up and just scrap the whole idea. So after blood, sweat, and 2 monitors, 1 PC, and 3 windows down, I decided, you know what? I'm now actually going to make some progress and complete the rest of the level. So after finishing the world, I decided to test around, and I noticed something was a little off. I needed a background, so I decided to go and draw myself a pixel by pixel 2K image background. Oh, this one looks nice. And as Sun Tzu once said, Control C, Control V, and your background will look good for free. Perfecto. Now it was time to add some enemies, and boom, there we go, we've got some non-functional enemies. But then after like 30 minutes, I realized all I had to do was untick a box, and my enemies now are functional. Next, I decided to put my red punching bags all around the map, because more the merrier. And lastly, I decided to make a way to finish the game. And that's that. I made a game in one day. If you want to play the game, links in the description, and have a nice day. Bye.